Hey guys, this is Shitesh back with another video. Sorry for being late for this video since I had exams past week. So today I'll be checking out this Cyanogen mode ROM, which is the old version, and I'll be checking out new ROMs, Cyanogen mode based ROMs. So currently I'm running on Cyanogen mode 14, which is Android N based custom ROM, and I've downloaded two more ROMs. We'll be checking out those, and one of them is the latest CM14, another one is the AICP ROM. So we'll be checking them out today, so let's get into it. The CM14 seems to be very stable ROM, but I face a lot of hitting issues while playing game or watching videos on YouTube, or also while using the phone while it's on charging. And so there's the issue of phone getting heated up, and the performance of the phone is quite good. I won't say it's amazing as we have seen on previous ROMs, but yeah, it works fine. You can use it for daily driver. There are some bugs. You can't record videos on this ROM. I checked different camera apps, like I downloaded and ported the ONEPLUS camera app. Let's see what the camera bug really is. So when you open the camera app, it's a computer screen. If you want to click photos, you can click easily, but when it comes to taking video, this happens. Recording stopped due to an error. This happens in CM camera also, which is inbuilt to the ROM. You can take camera photos easily, but when you take video, it stops. So that's the one bug I found it on this build, which is 14th September, which is quite old right now. So I'll be testing out the new one, and let's see. And for being the new ROM and being in testing stage, it's very stable, and all the features, like let's talk about the Android N features, and let's talk about the multi-screen feature first, how it is. So first you have to go to the recents. As you can see, I selected the YouTube app already. So actually what you have to do is, I'll show you again. What you have to do is, you have to hold the app you want and drag it up, then click on the app you want to run beside it, and you can use both the apps fluently. It's very easy to use and it works perfectly fine in this ROM. And I faced once my phone got restarted when you force too much gaming and too much multitasking into the phone, and it gets really heated up when you restarted the phone. So that's the one stability issue I'm facing right now, but it's still in testing stage, so it's pretty good. And let's get into the performance. So let's check into the benchmark. So I already have tested this one, so it scores 71,059. Here we have our device at 32, and OnePlus 2 is at, okay, I can't see OnePlus 2, it's around 74,000 or 75,000. So basically the performance rating according to the benchmark, CM14 works pretty good, and according to Geekbench, let's check it. So I checked it today around 1 hour back. So the single core performance was 946 and multi-core performance was 3076. In single core, the CM14 is lagging by around 100 or so points from OnePlus 2, and in multi-core performance is ahead of OnePlus 2 by 100 points again. So that's a equal thing in multi-core performance. CM14 seems to be doing pretty good, but according to my experience, you can't run more than 3 apps in the background properly. So we'll be checking that in our speed test. So let's get into the speed test. As you can see, there's nothing in the background, so there are no apps in the background. I'll be checking test. Let's start the stopwatch. First Clash of Clans. I'm using same Wi-Fi for the online apps, so there won't be any connection difference for the apps. Let's see Asphalt 8. Play Store. Clash Royale. Smash it. So let's check the multi-core performance right now. So Clash of Clans, so it's restarting the app, which is not good. It's not reloading the app from where I left it. So here's the place where we can see the difference between other ROMs and this ROM. So the multi-core performance in Geekbench, it might have gotten some good marks and better than other ROMs, or the Oxygen OS, but it's lagging like hell. The last app. So let's stop the clock. So it's taking 2 minutes to run, so it's in my previous run took 1 minute 26 seconds, so it's around 40 seconds slower than the previous ROM, which was hexagon ROM. So there's a lot of improvement to be done in Cyanogen mode. Anyways, it was one of the first builds. It was the second build in my guess. The first was released on 12th September and second was released on 14th September. So now there have been major developments in this ROM, so I'll be checking out those. Let's get into the pros and cons of this ROM. Pros are, yes, it's Android and that's it, nothing else. Cons, it gets heated up very badly. And another one, as you saw, the camera app is not working properly. The battery screen time is around 3 hours to 3.5 hours, or maximum 4 hours, not more than that. And the Cyanogen mode features are not working. I will show you. Like if you go to if you go to status bar, and if you change any of these settings, it won't be reflected on the status bar. So if I press battery percentage next to the icon, in previous ROMs it would have changed it immediately, but that percentage I got it from the system UI tuner. So only system UI tuner is working, none of the Cyanogen mode features are working. So I'll be checking out the latest CM14 and I'll report to you about its features and bugs which are present, and if you can use it for your daily drive or not. So definitely a thumbs down for this ROM. You can't use it for your daily driver. It's stable, but it gets really heated up. It's right now very heated up as I'm recording the screen. So for the battery performance, I'll give 3 out of 5. And for the performance of the phone, I'll give 3 out of 5, and for stability I'll give 3.5 out of 5, and for customizability I'll give 3 out of 5, and for its user interface I'll give 4 out of 5 because Android N is very good in its features. I'll show you one pretty good feature. I liked it. If you go and if you press battery icon, you can see the battery performance right away. You don't have to get into the uh, settings and check it. And also you get quick toggles here. You don't have to drag the full notification bar down and check toggle the Wi-Fi or anything like that if you want. And also in settings you have this feature of sliding from the side, left hand side of the settings, left hand side of the window. And in settings you have this feature of swiping and getting the quick view of the settings from the left hand side, and you can quickly get into the different accounts or different settings. From here you don't have to go back and search for your setting. You can click anything and go back immediately. So that's it. I'll be testing out other ROMs based on CM14, which is Android N. So let's see in the next video. Please subscribe and like.